Right now I'm standing outside BJP office in Nariman Point, and behind me you can see that the BJP youth wing workers have gathered in a large number and they are protesting against the state government. Just to give a background, that today Congress youth wing basically was supposed to do a protest outside BJP office. They had said only 4 people from Youth Congress will come and they will do a very silent protest outside BJP office. Their main question, the Congress was basically doing this protest just to ask a few questions that the PM had announced the stimulus package about 20 crore rupees, 20,000 crore rupees. So what has happened to those 20,000 crore? So that's the basic narrative of that was the narrative of that particular protest. But to counter the Congress protest, you can see that the BJP has called, or BJP youth wing has called their people, and BJP youth workers have gathered in a large number outside the BJP office, and they are basically protesting against the government. So in this particular protest of the BJP, they are giving slogans against the Maharashtra government, especially the Mahavikas Aghadi government. They are saying that this government has not done anything for the farmers, they have not done anything for the poor people. Even in the corona crisis, this government has totally failed to carry out any good work. So that's the narrative. So it's basically a protest versus counter protest thing which is happening. The call for the protest was yesterday given by Satyajit Tambe, who's a youth Congress, or we can say youth Congress head of Maharashtra Congress, and he had tweeted about it that they are going to protest against outside the BJP office, and only 4 people from his team will be there, and they will do the silent protest, and there will be a social distancing which they will be maintaining while protesting. But here you can see that just to counter that protest, BJP youth wing workers have gathered here in a large number, and you can see that even we can see a few leaders from the state also there. Prasad Lad is there, and along with Prasad Lad there are a few other leaders. So yes, it's a protest versus counter protest which is happening. We'll try to go across. So we'll try to go across to a few other people to just know that why they are protesting and what exactly is their status. So we have Ram Kadam with us, so we'll try to go across to Sir Ram Kadam, who's a BJP leader, and even he has joined here. You can see that Ram Kadam is right now, he's just having a word with the local police officials, and he's briefing them that why they are protesting and what exactly is the purpose of their protest. And as I said, you can see this hoarding also. आप मुझे बताइए ये क्या है होर्डिंग और आप प्रोटेस्ट क्यों कर रहे हैं?
आघाडी सरकार का निषेध कर रहे हैं हम लोग,
हाँ,
क्योंकि
किस बारे में?
शेतकरी हुआ, कोविड हुआ, इसमें क्या ध्यान नहीं है। शेतकरी लोग को बराबर भाव नहीं मिल रहा है, दूध का आंदोलन चालू है और बाकी सब शेतकरी भी आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं, इसके ऊपर निषेध कर रहे हैं।
So I have Ram Kadam with me, Mr. Ram Kadam. What exactly, why you people are basically protesting?
कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता यहाँ पर आ रहे थे आत्मनिर्भर भारत का जवाब पूछने के लिए। जो कांग्रेस पार्टी चाइना का प्रवक्ता के रूप में बात करती है, उस कांग्रेस पार्टी को आत्मनिर्भर भारत के बारे में बात करने का कोई अधिकार नहीं है।
उन्होंने कहा था कि वो 4 ही आएंगे, आप तो 400 की संख्या में हैं।
नहीं, अब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता करोड़ों में है, विश्व की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देना जानती है। अब ये कोरोना काल में उन्होंने आंदोलन की भाषा की, हमने नहीं की। हम तो जवाब देने के लिए खड़े हैं। ये कांग्रेस की ओर से पब्लिसिटी स्टंट था।
So that's what we heard from Ram Kadam, who clearly said it was a publicity stunt from the Congress side. And just to give an answer to this publicity stunt, these Congress workers, BJP workers have gathered here at a large number outside the Nariman Point office, and they are protesting against the state government and showing and telling people how state government has miserably failed at all the basically at all the tasks, including COVID, including farmers issue, including poor people.